how to withdraw money from Coinbase to Binance. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So for this, you will have to open up your Coinbase, then log into your account, and this is how it will look like. After that, you can just simply click on any of the crypto of your choice that you want to withdraw to your Binance account, and for that just simply select that particular crypto. After that, click on the option of withdraw, or you can also click on this option of send. Just simply click on send, then select the crypto. Now it will ask you to provide an address. For that, you will have to open up Binance. And on your Binance, simply open up your spot wallet. And on a spot wallet, select the crypto of your choice that you want to receive. Suppose I want to receive Ethereum. I will click on this option of deposit. Then select the option of deposit crypto. Now wait for it to load. And here it will ask you to select the coin. Just simply click on it and select Ethereum or type Ethereum. Select it. Now it will ask you to select the network. Make sure that you select the same network both on the Coinbase and also on Binance. Just select any of the network which is cheap. So you can go with the Binance Smart Chain or Arbitrum, as these are usually the cheaper ones. And in case if you're not able to find the similar networks on Coinbase, then go with the Ethereum one, that is ERC20. So simply select that particular network and you will get the address for that particular network. Copy this particular address and go to Coinbase. And on Coinbase, when you click on send and select Ethereum, you will be required to paste the address. Just simply paste that particular address that we just copied from Binance. And after that, select the same network that we selected on Binance. Then type the amount of Ethereum that you want to withdraw, and this way you would be able to withdraw from your Coinbase wallet to your Binance account. And that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.